Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. And of course there has been products and tools to kind of help you achieve some more of that volume at the crown, but most of them are kind of gimmicks. I feel like I've tried everything and normally those things just don't work. And what has always worked for me, and I was a queen of doing this in cosmetology school, was to tease the crap out of my hair in layers and hairspray it. Now, although that does work and you can achieve a ton of volume that way, it isn't great for the hair, and then the hair ends up looking really stiff and almost beehivey kind of looking. Now, if that's the style and the look you're going for, then that's great. And it's an incredibly easy way to achieve volume that way. But I know that doing that every day on the hair can be really harsh. Now, as long as you are careful removing the tangles the next day or the next time you shampoo with conditioner, it can actually be completely harmless on the hair. Now, what ends up happening is that it's an added step that you have to add to your shampoo and conditioning routine, which is annoying. So I've kind of here and there always experimented with different ways, different techniques, different products on ways where I could still achieve kind of like hidden volume, but without wrecking my hair the next day. So the only thing that's changed is the product that I use. Instead of using hairspray, I now either use a texturizing spray or a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo works wonders because the hair still has a ton of movement, yet it gives a ton of grit to the hair, so wherever you're teasing the hair, that tease is going to stay. But yet it's still really easy to remove that teasing the next day when you shampoo your hair. So for this easy teasing volume technique, I'm going to be using the Redken texture spray and just a boar bristle brush. This stuff smells so good. Every time I wear this in my hair, people are like, what perfume are you wearing? It's nice and sexy and like soft. All right, so the first step is kind of deciding where you want that volume. And typically I want it to start about here and end about there. So that's kind of where I want to concentrate that volume. So I'm just going to grab the hair across this way and bring that up. And then grab an across section this way. And now go ahead and tease that section. When you think you have it, do it 1 or 2 more times. Then go ahead and spray the product at the root and let that go. So while the product is still flexible, kind of wet, I like to spread it out. So now I'm going to do the next section. So as you can see, a very quick and easy way to add volume to your hairstyle. This is also great if you're gonna be putting your hair, say, half up, or if you're gonna be putting your hair up in a ponytail. Just having that volume at the crown, I think, kind of just elevates and makes every hairstyle look a little bit better. And the good thing about this is that the hair still has a ton of movement, and that's kind of what we want to achieve. We don't want hair to be looking extremely stiff. Alright guys, so I hope you found this quick hair tip helpful. Hopefully you give it a try and you will be surprised by how quick and easy it really is. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.